Good morning, sleepy achiever. Or is it afternoon? Midnight? Honestly, who cares what time it is when you're waking up to money magically appearing in your bank account while you were blissfully unconscious? That's right. Forget trading hours for dollars. Forget the commute. Forget the boss's urgent email at दोपहर के 5 बजे. Today, we're diving into the dreamiest, most liberating concept known to humanity, true passive income. We're talking about building systems, assets, and digital real estate that pay you while you sleep. Sound too good to be true? Stick with me. I know what you're thinking. Passive income? Isn't that just code for pyramid schemes, vague crypto promises, you're selling overpriced leggings to my Aunt Mildred? Chuckles, nope. We're leaving the sketchy stuff at the door. What we're exploring today are legitimate, scalable strategies that require upfront work. Yes, work. I'm not selling magic beans, but then generate income on autopilot. Think of it like planting a money tree. You dig the hole, you plant the seed, you water it diligently, and then years later, you kick back in a hammer while dollar bills gently rain down on you. The digging? That's the effort. The raining cash? That's the why this matters more than ever. We live in the digital age, the golden era of automation and global reach. The tools to build wealth while you recharge have never been more accessible. This isn't just about extra cash for let. This is about freedom. Freedom from the 9 to 5 grind. Freedom to travel, spend time with loved ones, pursue passions, or simply sleep in without guilt. It's about designing a life where your time is truly yours. Ready to build your personal night shift? Let's unveil the 7 pillars of profit. Pillar 8, the digital landlord, renter income, but way less hassle. Forget leaky faucets and midnight tenant calls about the garbage disposal eating their spoon collection. Platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, or even renters via property management companies allow you to rent out physical space passively. The key? Location, automation, and delegation. Buy, or in, a property in a desirable area. Hire a stellar property manager who handles everything: bookings, cleaning, maintenance, guest communication, for a percentage. Your role? Approve the occasional invoice and watch the rent roll in while you dream. Requires capital upfront, but offers consistent, tangible returns. It's like owning a vending machine, but for humans needing a place to crash. Pillar 2, the royalty rockstar, intellectual property that pays per play. Did you create something? A song? An ebook? A course? A photograph? A software plugin? A unique design? Licensing and royalties are your passive income superpower. Upload your music to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or licensing libraries. Publish your ebook on Amazon. Sell your online course on Teachable or Udemy. License your photos on your Adobe Stock. Every time someone streams your song, downloads your book, enrolls in your course, or uses your photo, you earn a royalty. It scales infinitely. One brilliant piece of work can pay you for decades. Imagine writing one killer ebook 10 years ago and it still buys your groceries today. That's the power of IP while you zip your. Pillar 13, the silent shareholder, dividend investing, own a slice of the pie. This is classic, powerful, and accessible. Stocks and fans/rights are your ticket. You buy shares in established, profitable companies, or fans holding many of them, that share their profits with shareholders. That's the dividend. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or real estate investment trusts, rights, pay dividends quarterly or monthly. The magic? Compounding. Reinvest those dividends automatically to buy more shares, which then generate more dividends. Over time, your snowball gets massive. Set up automatic investments, reinvest dividends, and let the market giants work their magic while you're deep in REM sleep. It's owning a tiny piece of the action globally. Pillar 4, the affiliate ambassador, recommend earn, automated, love a product, tell the world and get paid when they buy. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products/services and earning a commission on sales you generate. The passive twist? Automated content. Don't create evergreen content, a detailed blog post, a YouTube review, a Pinterest pin, an automated email sequence that explains why product X solves a problem. Include your unique affiliate link. That content works 24 July. Someone reads your subah ke 2 baje blog post about the best ergonomic pillow, clicks your link, buys it, and boom, commission hits your account while you're using said pillow. Requires content creation upfront, but then runs on autopilot. Choose products you genuinely believe in. Pillar 5, the monetizing your digital real estate. Got a website, blog, YouTube channel, or popular app. You own valuable digital real estate. Display advertising, like Google AdSense, sponsorships, and premium memberships turn that traffic into passive cash. Place ads strategically on your pages or videos. When set up, they run automatically. Attract sponsors for recurring deals. Offer a premium membership tier with exclusive automated content or perks. The key is building a valuable audience or platform first. Once you have the traffic or users, the monetization systems hum along while you're offline, turning your digital space into a rentable billboard. Pillar 6, the banker, lending your money, digitally. Become the bank. P2P, lending platforms, like Prosper, or similar platforms depending on your region, connect borrowers directly with lenders. You lend your money to vetted individuals or small businesses and earn interest. Platforms handle the underwriting, payments, and collections. You diversify by lending small amounts to many borrowers. Your money is working, earning interest, completely after the initial setup. Higher returns than savings accounts, but understand the risks, diversification is key. Think of it as your money clocking in for the night shift. Pillar 7, the creator's cash machine, digital products on autopilot. This ties into Pillar 2 but deserves its own spotlight for scalability. Selling digital products online, ebooks, printables, templates, stock photos/video, presets, online courses, software, is the ultimate scalable passive model. You create the product once. You build a simple sales funnel, website payment processor. You drive traffic via SEO, social media, ads, affiliate. Then, the system runs. Someone finds your ultimate guide to terrarium building at subah ke 3 baje, pays via Stripe, downloads the PDF instantly, and you wake up richer. Zero inventory, zero shipping, marginal cost per new customer. Build it well, market it smartly, and it becomes a perpetual money machine. This is where your expertise meets automation for pure profit. Look, building true, sustainable passive income isn't about getting rich quick while napping. That's a fantasy. It's about getting rich slowly and smartly while you sleep, after doing the focused, strategic work while you're awake. It's about shifting your mindset from trading time for money to building assets that generate money. It's about delayed gratification for ultimate freedom. That initial effort, planting the seed, writing the book, recording the course, saving for the investment, building the website. That's you showing up for your future self. That's you saying, I believe in a bigger, freer life. Every hour you invest upfront is buying back thousands of hours of your future time. It's buying back mornings with your kids, spontaneous adventures, peace of mind, and the ability to say no to anything that doesn't light you up. Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and seeing notifications, no Airbnb booking confirmed, royalty payment received from Amazon, dividend reinvested, affiliate sale, premium pillow. No alarm clock needed to jolt you awake, the thrill of financial autonomy does that. That's not just income, that's freedom manifesting as a notification. The blueprint is right here. The 7 pillars. The path exists. But knowledge is only potential power. Execution is everything. How do you start? Where do you get the detailed roadmaps, the guides, the inspiration to push through when building your asset feels tough? Shift to clear, energetic, encouraging, that's where we come in. We've created educational guides, comprehensive, and inspirational success manuals, specifically designed to take you from inspired listener to active passive income builder. We break down each of these 7 pillars into actionable steps, reveal the best platforms, show you how to avoid costly mistakes, and keep you motivated on your journey to financial liberation. Ready to turn your sleep into your most productive asset? Smash that like button right now if this vision of freedom excites you. It tells YouTube this is content. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. We drop videos weekly, diving deep into each passive income stream, sharing success stories, and keeping you fired up on your path. Don't miss out on your next dose of freedom fuel. Share this video. Know someone trapped in the cycle? A friend dreaming of more freedom? A family member needing extra income? Share this with them. Help them wake up to the possibilities. Let's build a community of sleepy achievers together. Click the link in the description below. This is your direct gateway to our curated resources. Get instant access to our e-passive income power pack featuring on each of the 7 pillars, inspirational success manuals, actionable blueprint guides, and exclusive discounts on our premium courses. This is your toolkit to start building your empire today. Don't just dream about freedom, architect it. Final, powerful crescendo, your future self, lounging on a beach or simply enjoying a morning coffee, is thanking you for taking this step right now. The time to plant your money tree is today. Start building the life where your money works hard so you don't have to. Start building the life you dream about while you're actually dreaming. Go get sleepy achiever. I believe in you. Now, go click that link and let's build your freedom, one passive income stream at a time. Sweet dreams and sweeter profit.